You want to limit how much time you or your kids spend on YouTube? Here's exactly how to block both the YouTube app and the website on your iPhone in under 2 minutes. First, open your settings app and tap on screen time. If you haven't already set up a screen time passcode, make sure it's a PIN your kids won't guess. Next, tap on app limits and select add limit. Tap the entertainment category and check YouTube app. But wait, don't hit the next just yet. Kids can easily bypass this by simply using Safari. To fix that, scroll down to the bottom, tap websites. Select add website and type in youtube.com. Now you can hit next to the top right. Choose your daily limit, let's say 1 hour. You can even tap customize days to allow more screen time on the weekends. Finally, hit the check mark. Once that time is up, both the YouTube app and the website are completely locked down. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more iPhone tech tips.